Who was the first prophet in Islam? The answer is Prophet Adam alayhi salam. Number 2. How many surah are there in the Holy Quran? The answer is 114. Number 3. How many times is Salah performed daily by Muslims? The answer is 5. Number 4. Which city is known as the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? The answer is Makkah. Number 5. What is the holy book revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? The answer is Quran. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.